The Real Estate Update.
Good morning. This is Alva Nieberschütz from Royal LePage, your community realty at the Your Property Duo team. Today, the Bank of Canada has raised the interest rates to 4.25%. That is an increase of 0.5%.
More about the rate increase and what that means to you from Sophia von Nieberschütz.
As we all know, today the interest rates went up by a half a point, bringing it to a rate of 4.25. Not bad if one thinks about it, what the interest rates were much higher. Talking to several really specialists, mortgage specialists, they're all projecting that the interest rates most likely will be going down towards the end of 23. So what are we suggesting? We think the best thing is, if you're in the market for purchasing a property, is to buy now. The properties are so well priced right now, much lower, and you would not be dealing with several offers at the same time, like bidding wars. You will still have the option to write a conditional deal upon financing, home inspection, etc. So buy now, but finance a short-term mortgage with of course, a little bit higher interest rate, but short-term, and refinance a year down the road. That would be the best option, because that really allows you still to get in the market. And believe us, you can find still properties under 500,000. Sounds like a good idea? Contact us. We send you the list. Our email address is yourpropertyduo@gmail.com. Now back to my partner Ava. She will go through more details in the market in the last months.
In November, interest rate hikes drove down home sales and new listings. Increased borrowing costs represent a short-term shock to the housing market. Over the medium to long term, housing demand is going to pick up drastically. Selling prices have declined since the early year peak, since market conditions became more balanced, with buyers seeking to mitigate the higher borrowing costs. Having said that, the downward trend for home prices seems to be coming to an end, as the prices are starting to flatline now. This was Ava von Nieberschütz at Royal LePage, your community realty with the Your Property Duo team. I see you next month, and until then, I wish you a beautiful time.